In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical products using Payhip, a simple and efficient way to manage your inventory and make sales online. Whether you're an entrepreneur just starting out or an established business owner looking to expand your sales channels, Payhip provides the tools you need to succeed. Let's dive right in and get your store set up. First, you'll need to set up your Payhip store. Begin by heading over to payhip.com to create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and completely free. Once you're registered, you're ready to start customizing your online storefront. Tailor it to mirror your brand by uploading your unique brand logo and an eye-catching banner. Alongside these visuals, be sure to craft a compelling store description that effectively communicates what your business is all about, enticing potential customers to explore your offerings in more detail. Now that your store is visually appealing and representative of your brand, it's time to add your physical products. Navigate to the Products section located in your Payhip dashboard. It's here that you'll breathe life into your store by adding the items you intend to sell. Click on Add New Product and select the Physical Product option. This is where the fun begins, as you'll enter the details that will shine a spotlight on what you're offering. Start with a catchy product title. A great name can attract attention and spark curiosity, encouraging potential buyers to learn more about your product. Move on to crafting a detailed description, highlighting the standout features and benefits your product offers. This is your opportunity to create a narrative around your product, explaining why buyers should be interested and choose it over other alternatives. Setting a competitive price is crucial next. Take some time to research similar products to ensure your pricing is attractive to potential customers while still providing you with a good margin. After setting the price, upload high-quality images to showcase your product. Remember, these images are often the first impression potential customers will have, so make sure they are clear, well-lit, and show the product from various angles. It's essential to manage your inventory effectively, so specify the number of items you have available. This helps in controlling the stock levels and managing customer expectations about product availability. If your product comes in various sizes, colors, or styles, consider adding these variations during the product setup. Variations can help cater to customer preferences and increase the likelihood of a sale. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up a thriving Payhip store for your physical products. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your online retail experience. Happy selling!